What's up, y'all? Stixx here. Stixx Picks back in another video at the Stockton Flea Market, of course. That's like our main flea market. At this point, we go here a lot. And we're here to pick. We're selling. This is our truck and trailer right here. Just help set up and time to walk around. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Some more toys. Looks like you're buying a lot of toys, but you know, that guy seems to sell for a good price. I saw two sell for 75, but that was like the only one. That was like an odd sale on eBay. Most of them sold for about like 25 to 30 each, so still a good sale. Still a good sale. All right, time to go get my dad some coffee. This spoiled guy. This man said, go get me coffee. I'm trying to make my picking video. Like, come on. I went to go get change. He's like, nah, go get me some coffee real quick. I can't get him coffee now. I don't even get set up yet. Yeah, it's not ready. He's gotta wait. How much would you sell all four of these for?
Buy three, I'll give you one free, 15 off.
All right. All I have is 100. Do you have change for 100?
Not yet,
oh,
but
shit.
I'll keep them for you.
All right. Let me go ask my dad if he has change real quick. Let me go ask my dad has change. I like this guy's booth. I always buy stuff off him, seems like. All right, I got some change. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Knives? How much are the knives? Those are $3. Hello? What games are they? What are they called? Read off to me what they're called. Yeah, you need to start saying that.
So you got any more Pokemon cards today?
No more Pokemon cards right now. I haven't found any right now. Hold on, this one. It smells like cleaning out the bathrooms.
I was to say, yeah, what the heck's that smell? Oh my god. It smells horrible.
Yeah.
I would hate to be over there.
Yeah. Every morning they clean them.
Yeah, it smells terrible.
Yeah. I don't know why they do it like a day before.
Yeah.
You thought about the price on that? On the whole thing? Remember I told you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should buy the whole thing. I have a lot of cards.
I've been collecting for a long time, so.
Yeah. So, I don't know. I'm not really too big. I just sell like one card at a time. I don't know if I could buy like a whole lot.
Yeah, I know.
Because I want to sell my auctions soon, like how my dad does, but
Yeah.
I don't want to overwhelm them with just like cards.
Yeah, cards and cards and.
Yeah.
I get it.
I have like 3 or 4 lots already.
Yeah.
Drum set again. That's a cool electric guitar over here. Looks better than mine. Let's go one of these things. Everything's $1, $1. Come get it for $1, y'all. $1. Everything's $1. Everything right here is sold, though. Unfortunately, all these chairs, the couch. I think that's sold too. I think it's sold. It's sold, yeah. Okay. This is sold. Sorry. $1, $1. Everything's $1. Yes, Dad. All right. All right, Dad. All right, I heard you. Thanks. They just got a good deal on those swords. $1 a piece on those swords.
You did that. I told you to look around, but you didn't care.
Dad, what do you mean? You just told me to sell everything for $1.
Sold these shares? Yeah. So all these yellow cart. Yellow cart.
$1.
Somebody's cart, Michael.
Oh, that's someone's cart. Somebody's cart. Yeah, sorry about that. It's not ours. $1, $1. Everything's $1. Get it for $1, y'all.
You think he goes any lower?
Daddy, would you go any lower on this?
No. Okay. All right, thank you.
No problem. $1, $1. Everything's $1. Yeah, $3. Yeah. No problem.
How much the food?
That's all sold.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
How much did you sell the barstool for?
$1, I think. Wait, what?
Oh my lord.
Wait, what'd you say?
I said, how much did you sell those barstools
Oh yeah, we
for?
sold these for $1.
No. Are you serious?
And that whole couch set too for $1.
Wow, that was a steal.
Yeah.
Those are beautiful. See, y'all sell y'all stuff like I ain't trying to carry it home, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Nice.
Go back. No, sorry. If you find one in a box, you can have it though.
Thank you.
No problem. Alright, y'all, I got my early morning burger. I didn't feel like eating breakfast burrito here. Those not really that too good. I just got this. Everything is free. Everything is free. Take what you want. Everything is free. But the bed set, that's not free. But everything else is free. Free, free, free. Everything over here is free. Take what you want. Everything but the bed set is free.
The base.
Vase.
Everything free, right?
Those are free too. You can have all those cards if you want. Yeah.
Okay, I'll try.
Might as well, right?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, let's do a little recap before I leave. So, we got 4 of these. We have this and those. We got 4 of these for $45. And these sell for about $25 each on eBay, give or take. I'll probably sell them for like 22 or something, so they still a little bit faster. But that's still good profit, you know. I paid $45, and if they sell for $25 each, that's $100. That's a little more than double the profit. Actually, there'll be a little bit of fees after eBay, but it'll still be good profit. And we got 2 of these guns, like Nerf gun type of things. I got them each. I got them for $25 for both of them, and they sell for around $45 each or $40 each on eBay. I'll probably list them for $35 also, so a little bit sell a little bit faster, but good profit again, good profit. All right, y'all, that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Like I always say, especially if you're watching the outro, I appreciate you. And we're out of here. We're still selling, honestly. We're still selling. We're almost done though. It's getting hot out here.